What's up, guys? Welcome back to Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a quick drive in this 2014 Chevy Corvette Stingray. It's got 460 horsepower and a 6.2 liter V8. This is the convertible. You can see the horsepower there. You got an extra cool storage compartment there, which I always thought was nice in these. Change your modes. You have sport, track, weather mode, eco, touring. Let's go in sport for this drive. The visibility in here obviously is not very good. It's really hard to see anything. And the hood is so long in this car. Sounds quite good. And it is fast. I've driven the Z06, the C7 Z06. I've driven the C7R manual Z06 and the automatic Z06. All of them are absolutely insane. Those have 650 horses. Not quite sure what that rattling noise is. I mean, this thing does have 70,000 miles, so it's been used for sure. But man, this thing sounds good. Can't beat the sound of a V8, regardless of what kind of V8 it is and which car it's in. Seats are very bolstered, bucket seats. You got a Bose sound system in this car. Heated and ventilated seats. I prefer the design of the C7 over the C8. C7 looks cleaner, even though the C8 is a mid-engine car. It's weird how it looks so fussy and it just doesn't look like a mid-engine car despite being one, which sucks. I'd honestly take a manual C7 Z06 over a C8 Z06, regardless of the horsepower and all that, just because the C7 is more engaging with the manual. That wind noise is horrible. Anyways, thanks for watching this video of the 2014 Corvette Stingray. Please stay tuned for more content, and if you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.